Tuesday live with the Crypto Boys. Here we are. We are checking to make sure that our mics and our mouths line up for you guys so that this content is as awesome as ever. How we look?
Oh yeah, we're good.
Beautiful.
We've made that mistake once, and we will never make it again.
Never make it again because
Did a
it looks so
whole
terrible.
live. I mean, if you guys went back to our early lives was that a month and a half ago? 2 months ago, I don't know. But
right.
yeah, the entire live, our mouth was off.
It was terrible. I couldn't even watch it. I went back to
terrible.
kind of just look at it. I was like, oh God, this hurts my head to even
I
look
wanted
at.
to delete the video.
That's right. We almost did.
So bad.
But we didn't. So you guys can go back and find it if you want. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, guys. Lots to talk about. There's always lots to talk about. Jim Starr, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Hey.
Okay, cool. So we have some stuff to talk about. We're going to go on CoinMarketCap. We're going to look at all of the coins. We're going to look at some of the ones that are up. There's some big gainers today. The market was up a little bit. So we're going to talk about that.
2-3%.
Trading View, we have some awesome, super bullish patterns. Just kidding. Maybe not so much.
No, we don't.
We got some sideways action.
That, my friend, would be a lie.
That is a dirty lie, and I do apologize for that. So we're not going to talk about that, but we're going to talk about EU Parliament, talking about crypto, and, Colin made a short about it.
Europe's banning.
That's right.
No, they're not banning. They're
Nope.
banning. They're not banning. Shut it.
Just go
calm
with the
down.
flow, ladies and gents.
Calm
over
down,
in
Europe.
Yeah.
Calm down.
If you guys are in Europe, sorry, but you guys need to calm down just a second.
We love you, too.
We do love you.
Well,
okay, so yeah, we're gonna talk about that, and then FTX, yeah, Sam Bankman-Fried. Clearly, you saw him and his fuzzy head on our thumbnail. So
rather fuzzy.
yeah, he's got quite the fro going on.
Yeah, he's got to cut that.
He's got lots of money. He can easily get haircuts all the time whenever he needed it.
No, you got a lot of money.
But yeah, and the Fed, as you saw Jerome Powell on our thumbnail as well today, guys. So we're gonna talk about the little rate hike. We will talk about that.
Then we'll do a little Q&A,
Mm-hmm.
I think, at the end. And then we've got a couple big videos that we've got that are coming out. Joe did one this morning that was extremely interesting. I didn't know anything about this project. And then I did one today that I thought went really well. So, yeah, we got those to talk about as well.
That's right. Yeah, mine will be Render token tomorrow. We'll talk
Render.
about more. Yeah, Render here in a little bit. But
Yes.
okay, well, shall we dive into the old charts-a-roos?
Let's do it. If you guys got questions, open discussion, throw it in. Jim's already starting the chat up. Appreciate you, Jim. I'm going to show you on the chance. What?
I don't even know what that means. What does that mean, Jim?
It's got to be something from like Ireland or something, isn't it? I don't know what that is.
I don't know. Yeah. So
Kyle Reyes, I got your text, by the way, buddy. I gotta get that. I'll get it. I'll get back to you in a second. All right. So
here you go.
We go once
Boom.
we click the right button. Bitcoin is up, but the market cap is
1.75
about the same.
trillion. Yeah, literally.
About
I
the
think it
same.
went up a little bit since yesterday, but really not much. Yeah, Bitcoin up. It's about to kiss that 40K like it has done so many times.
Yes.
That's not exciting because we've seen it too many times. Once you just kind of get, like you get this callus over you.
Yes.
Just like, meh.
I tell you what, this XRP, sorry not to skip ahead, but skipping ahead, that was boring. XRP is like the ultimate swing trade right now. Like I see that thing, it's either at like going to 84, back down to 69, back up to 84. It's like 10%, 20% swings all day, every day.
Look at it. You can easily, I just don't feel comfortable leverage trading any of this stuff right now, but
no,
you could easily get that, 10, 12%, and then just kind of sell it somewhere around here and then right back down. Whoop,
this.
Down here, sell it up there. Down here, sell it up here. Down here, sell it up here. This is the
like 6 days.
That's
7
right.
days.
This is the state of the market right now, guys. So it's swing trader friendly, but knowing that if you get in trouble, you're planning on keeping this. You're planning on keeping this coin. So ETH showing bullish sentiment. The run up today. Also, Solana has some hype growing again.
It does. I would agree. It finally does. Solana was taking a little bit of a beating for a while.
Yeah, it was really because of the outages on the actual chain.
Yes.
Really, it going out so many times. It went out like 4, 5, 6 times.
Sure did.
So who knows? But definitely ETH.
Hey,
king.
we have a good legit Cardano short coming out.
Yeah,
it's going to be pretty funny, I think. And you guys can make fun of us all we want. Yeah, we're bullish on Cardano. I don't care. Even though that Alex Becker guy hates Cardano, you do what you got to do. Yeah, we're bullish on Cardano, and we're okay with being made fun of as well.
That's right.
So bring it on.
Yeah, we love stable coins like Cardano.
Bring it on.
Yeah, but we know it's going to pump.
Yeah,
eventually.
we're also staking it too. Yeah. So we're making money 2 ways.
Making money on our money.
Making money.
Money. That's what we do. Where's Mo Money in the chat? We need him.
We do need Mo Money.
All right. Actually, like, we need a lot more money, too. Yeah. Down, red. Little bit up. I mean, 2%, 1%, 2% here.
4%.
4%.
Chainlink.
Yeah, Chainlink.
Litecoin.
Yeah. I mean.
You know why Litecoin's up? Probably because they're not going to ban it in Europe.
Yeah, maybe. Elron up 10%. Everyone's talking about it.
That's our boy B-Rad.
Yeah.
That's B-Rad right there. B-Rad. Shout out to B-Rad. He's the man. Go follow B-Rad.
That's right. B-Rad on crypto.
B-Rad on crypto.
Go look him up right now. Get out of our live chat. Go to his, subscribe to him, come back to us, go back to where you just left off, like the video, and then move on from there. Boom.
Don't leave our live.
Yeah,
don't leave. You do what you got to do.
Whatever you got to do. Yeah. Phantom up 10%. Holy guacamole. FTM for some reason. Don't know why, but hey.
V-Chain. Come on, baby boy.
V-Chain.
Come on, V-Chain.
I don't think I've seen it higher than 4 cents in like it's a couple years. Hoskinson. Okay. The graph is the biggest gainer of the day. I was looking at it earlier. It is up almost 18% on the day.
Crap.
It is spanking everyone around a little bit.
For that?
I do not know. I was trying to find out some information earlier. Didn't have a ton of time to dive into it. I was with patience. But yeah, I did see that. That is pretty cool. Pretty cute.
Dude, Jim Starr, he knows what's going on over there. Did you read that comment?
No, what did he say?
In the order book.
Trading 15-minute candle. That's a bold move.
That's bold, man.
Yeah,
that's
cool.
bold.
That's a trader. That's a trader for sure.
That dude knows what's going on.
Yeah, teach us how to trade on the 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Harmony, 12 cents. 12 cents.
Oh man, that's a buy right there.
That is a steal.
A buy.
That's right.
If I ever seen a buy, that's a buy.
That's some NSYNC type buy.
It sure is.
Is that NSYNC?
No, I think that's Backstreet Boys.
Backstreet Boys. Boom. There you go. All right, here is our chart, guys. This is what we had to talk. We had to bring this beautiful, beautiful chart. Well, I don't want to lie to you guys. It's just consolidating, man. It is back and forth. Really, we didn't have anything. I just drew a couple lines on here. But really back between that 45, 46 mark and down to the 35. I mean, boop, 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 boop. It's kind of consolidating. Is that going to break up to the upside? Is it going to break the downside? Is it going to just keep going sideways? Who knows? Yeah.
I'm feeling decent.
Crab market, exactly.
NSYNC for sure. It is. That's right.
My bad.
I get those boy bands always screwed up.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Well, you were in one, weren't you?
No.
Oh wait, no, that wasn't.
I can't dance or sing. Actually, enough Coors Lights I can dance.
Yeah, you can throw the lasso around.
I can lasso some people in, no doubt. But sometimes a choke. Yeah,
Jim is straight on there with the crab market. It's just going sideways the whole time.
That's funny. I've never heard that expression or that's funny. Wow, that's good.
Straight up. All right. First little article. Okay.
EU Parliament approves crypto legislative package by majority vote.
Yeah, they did. So, Bradbury just bought another 30,000 V-Chain. He's going to fly soon. Well, let's hope so, because we got some V-Chain. Both of us
Bradbury, we both got a lot of V-Chain.
We need the V-Chain.
We need V-Chain to go up as well, my friend.
That's right. So, European Parliament, getting back into that, basically what they said was they are not banning crypto yet again. They didn't bring up the fact that, because really the big thing was they're going to talk about proof of work. Is it bad for the environment? Blah, blah, blah. Are they going to ban it because of this? Well, they didn't ban crypto. They didn't ban it. They didn't even really bring up the proof of work issue. So you might as well just roll with it.
And here's the thing, is that as more proof of work and as more people get into proof of work and mining and even just crypto in general, these big banks and things like that are not going to allow, that's how actual governments and stuff are actually run, is that they're not going to allow big major bans anymore when that kind of stuff it's not going to happen. And also it's been debunked a million times that the energy expended and the way they save it off of a proof of work machine, it's no different because it's going to go somewhere else and it's going to be used either way.
That's right.
Now, so there's so many articles and things you can read. Maybe we should do a video on it.
We probably should because
I really dove in after, because when we mine,
right.
So it's like, well.
Yeah, I would agree with you there. I've heard arguments before about well, if you don't mind and you just have regular currency, transacting in regular currency across the world, there's issues there too. So there's so many. Well, let's do video.
There's also issues with the 10 million, bazillion, gajillion masts that are now going to be floating in our oceans.
That's a good point.
So
yeah, good thing we had those for 2 years. Really helps. But we did flatten the curve after 4 years. Felt like. All right,
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. Still moving on 2 weeks.
FTX.
There he is, old Sammy with his goofball hair.
It is goofy.
CEO of FTX. Him and Everstake launch. I don't stake on Everstake, but I hear it's a good platform.
Yeah, I hear it is too.
So that's pretty cool, pretty bullish.
I don't know. I don't use it.
Yeah. Well, someone let us know if they've used it. Fundraising site for Ukraine. So basically what they're trying to do is make an easier, simpler way to go to a trusted site that you trust, and fund Ukraine there, as opposed to just sending it to this Ukraine wallet supposedly that their government has. So
Correct.
It's kind of more taking away the sketchiness of it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm glad somebody's doing it, and hopefully this goes to the correct spot.
Yeah, simple as that. Nuclear. Yeah, that would be the word there for sure. So Coin98. What is Coin98? What is it?
Yeah, I will. What is that?
Jim, give us a name there, because you did just call the blow up there on coin number 98. What's the title of this one?
This is Market Wrap.
Yeah, Bitcoin and stocks stabilize ahead of the Fed announcement. We did have to talk about that. Yeah, guys. So
going up 25 basis points.
Yep, 25 basis points is the planned. The plan then will happen today or tomorrow. It's kind of already factored into the equation, though. It's not going to change really much for right now, but it is something that I think they said either 6 or 7 of these rate hike potentially over the course of this entire year. So
yes.
Definitely going to play into effect here. So hopefully you got some loans taken out now.
Well, and remember that doesn't typically even mean a downtrend in the market. If you look over past, and everybody's done a video on it, when the rates go up, there is a certain amount of time that the markets usually freaking go up too.
Yeah.
So that doesn't always mean that we're crashing for 2 years or whatever.
No.
Who knows?
That's a good point.
No one knows.
Speaking of crashing for 2 years, I had a buddy of mine text me earlier today. He wanted to buy some Coinbase stock. Which I thought was weird, because I'm like, why wouldn't you just buy crypto? But he wanted to buy some Coinbase stock, and he's like, do you think that the crypto market is going down further, or do you think now is a good time to put like 10, 20K into this stock? And I was like, man, my brain is as pretzeled as pretzel can be right now. I have been waiting for it to just tank like a rock. I'm waiting for it to explode back up to all-time highs, but it's a crab market, like we talked about earlier.
It's funny because I like that question, knowing from the person that isn't in but wants to get in, because that's showing some interest. Because really, that's the big thing. If we don't have enough orders coming in on the order book, if we don't have enough buying pressure coming in, the bottom line is these markets are not going to start going up, and the uncertainty in the world is going to keep it suppressed.
Yep, absolutely.
So until that stuff starts to happen, I just don't know how we're going to have a big wave, really, either way.
Yeah, no, I agree. We're just dancing around at this point. We need people to feel like they need to FOMO in for this to go up.
Absolutely.
And right now, I don't feel like I want to FOMO in. I just feel like I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put a little bit here, DCA into cool projects that I like. Jim Starr, where are you from, buddy? Where are you from? If you want to be on the show, hey, we're all about doing collabs and stuff like that.
I tried our last collab we tried to do with someone. I tried to call him out in the comments about the MTV thing, and I was like, all right, dude, we've been arguing too much, going back and forth, like 30 comments. I ain't got time for this.
Yeah.
Why don't you just come on the show and we'll argue face to face? He's like, absolutely not.
Nope.
Well, next, then you're not even talked about anymore.
That's right. Wanted nothing to do with that heat for sure.
Not saying you're arguing, but
No.
Yeah.
No.
We're open to any collabs. We're open to rolling. We got a couple big ones coming up. Let's go.
We do. It
can't wait.
It pumps up the crypto boys.
It really does. If you guys have any questions, let us know. This is a great time to throw out some questions in the chat.
Yeah. Q&A time for sure. Absolutely.
Or just things you want to get off your chest about the market right now. We'd love to bring it to light and bring it out to the YouTube universe.
Yeah. The other thing, at this point, I feel like we have gotten gems thus far for videos of, different ideas for you, like the one that I'm shooting for tomorrow. I shot, done, and it's coming out tomorrow. A couple of the other ones. So drop some comments about the coins that you guys are interested in or nervous about, or, some low cap gems or something like that too.
Oh, yeah, and I do want to go over a little bit of the cell frame video I did. The deep dive on that, I literally shot it for 35 minutes, and I didn't even know where it was going. I lost myself in it because there was so much into it. So 3 or 4 part series. The first part was really just getting into what I thought the background was, where the potentialists can go. But I'll be the first one to tell you, I've got a lot of questions with it too that I've rose up. So, you know, you're going to be seeing some more videos on cell frame, and I do think the tech, the idea is huge. It can really be an amazing project, but there are a lot of questions that I don't have answers to.
Yeah.
That I would need to before I start throwing a bunch of money at cell frame.
That's a good point.
So we'll see.
Jim says he can't be doxxed, so he doesn't want to unveil his information about his crypto. Bradbury. Okay, Bradbury. Low-tex. What? Have you heard of Low-tex?
No. For latex.
Yeah, latex, definitely different use case there.
No doubt.
But
write it down. We'll look it up.
Low-tex, it is written down. We will check it out on CoinMarketCap. Check it out a little bit. Maybe do a video if it's interesting enough, and we will go from there. What else? What other? I feel like we had some stuff to talk about. Our NFT is moving right along. I mean, every other day we talk to the guy about where it's going, where it's rolling. We need to get our buddy that made that sign, that stuff.
Yes, we do. We got to get him that stuff so then people can actually see the website, and then they can see that we have a Discord and a Twitter, and we need to get our pictures for it as well, and just get stuff, because right now we sound a lot like, oh, these guys are talking about it again, but
yeah,
we do.
It ain't fake.
It's legit. The money is out of our accounts. Trust me.
Yeah.
And so we got to make it happen
for sure.
And we will. And it's just not the very first thing on the mind right now with where the market's at.
Yeah.
You know, what do you think release date? Realistic release date? Summer?
Yeah, probably
summer. This summer for sure. But yeah, it's just taking time, man. We wanted it to be perfect. We had so many things back and forth, and now we got to create and get the website done, and it's a whole thing.
Oh, IOTEX. I have heard of that. It's not low-tex. IOTEX. Okay.
IOTEX. There you
IOTA. IOTEX? IOTEX. All right, we'll look that up.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
I have heard of that.
Yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully by the summer for sure this will be out. Probably maybe by that time ETH is like 7 cents per coin. Hopefully not, but
hopefully not.
We'll figure it out as we rip and as we roll, as we get closer to the actual final product. Closing thoughts on the market? You got any feel?
You know, I don't. I still am just in this weird position of not having much feeling. I'm going to do a video on something and the reasoning why I bought this particular project over the weekend. Because we always tell people right now, you know, get into the only projects you really, really trust and really care about and think you can run.
Did you do that?
You know, that's going to be my video. I don't know. I do. I completely 100% believe in this project. I've done as much research as I possibly could on this project.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, I love the price, and I put all my last doll hairs in it.
Cool. Love it.
Super low cap.
That's right. Okay, well, sometimes that's the way it rips, and that's the way well, we were talking about the swing trading. So, you know, maybe these low cap goes up, instead of up 10%, maybe it'll go up 18, 25%, and then you can...
If that's the case, I'll probably sell some. I'll probably sell it all and wait for it to drop.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see what happens. What do you got? What you thinking?
You know, that's... I just... My pockets are burning. I hate when I have that feeling of like, I've been waiting and I've been playing and the price is kind of where I want it. I'm going to buy it right now. When that happens, I hope you probably have the same feeling of like, I am going to buy this coin. Boom, you sink some cash into it and it absolutely tanks from there. And you're like, why not just wait 7 more minutes?
Yep.
You know, so that's how it happens. Or if you sell it, it'll go the opposite way, of course. You know, you sell and you're like, this is a good profit. Boom, and it goes up like 20% from there the next day. So hopefully it doesn't happen, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get into something. Mo Money, we were talking about you earlier, buddy. Go back and watch the video.
Mo Money, what up?
Yeah,
as long as you're willing to buy the projects that you believe in, especially right now, who cares?
Yeah,
I mean, who cares? I'm holding all my stuff for a very long time, and yeah, it's gonna be good. I have a good feeling about it.
Cool.
Can't time the market. Doesn't matter which direction. Jim, you speaking the truth, my man.
Jimmy is hitting it today.
Speaking the damn truth.
That's right. Timing in the market better than time in the market is better than timing the market.
That was Mo Money's quote.
Maybe that was. It's a good quote though.
We'll get that on the shirt too
of what we got. Crypto will make us all unemployable.
Yeah.
That's your quote.
That is your
That's
quote.
Mo Money's quote.
That is Mo Money's quote.
Yeah.
There ain't no doubt. I feel like some of these people have been with us so long. The Kyles, the Mo Moneys, and Bradbury. I mean, all these people. We got to give them like an NFT or something.
For sure.
We just got to give them a free pass.
All right.
Maybe we will. Yeah. Maybe we'll do that.
Yeah. Maybe we should.
They deserve it.
We appreciate you.
And that way they can at least use the utility behind it.
Yeah.
That's right. Why not?
All
right. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
That's it.
All right, guys. Well, I think that's all we have for today.
It is.
And we got you, Jimbo. Appreciate that. I think that's all we got for you today, guys. And we appreciate you guys always rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. We are out.
We're out.